Hello good people, this is your girl Gina again with a new video. Today we are going to cook chips masala. Yes, karibuni sana. Niko na msichana wangu hapa. She's going to help me out. Let's start. Okay, our ingredients of the day. Tuko na chipo, tumeshazipika tayari. We have paprika, salt, tangawizi and garlic. We have tomato sauce. We have onions here. We have coriander. And we have blended some tomatoes and pilipili hoho. Let's start our cooking. Light the gas. Give me the tomato, the kitunguu. Put it here.
Take it.
Yes. It's very easy. Cooking this recipe is very easy. Very easy. So all you need ni chipo. Some few. Si lazima ukue na hizi zangu. So you can just choose the spices you need. Again, if you want your potatoes to cook faster, when you're cooking, before you cook, you can first boil them kidogo, you pre-boil them kidogo, then you cook them. Kitunguu is cooking, it's almost ready. You want to tell us a story?
No, I don't have a story.
You should have one. Tell us a story. Once upon a time.
There lived a mother goat, and he had 12 goats, baby goats. The 12 baby goats were so small. Not that small, but
okay. Dogo. So, our kitunguu is done. We'll continue with the story. So we put our puree.
okay.
Yeah. And we'll give it time to cook.
Thanks.
I said this is nyanya and pilipili hoho. So this is tomatoes and bell pepper. Kitunguu we have cooked. We have cooked it.
Let me try.
Chukulia kifuniko pale tufunike. At this point you can add your spices. Mine, as I said, there is paprika, salt, tangawizi and garlic. Our paste, if it's okay. Our soup. It's doing good. Imeiva, nyanya zimeiva kabisa completely. And the size are reduced. And when zimeiva maji tutafungua kidogo so we can put our chips inside. So before we put the chips, tuweke tomato sauce. Kenyan. Si lazima uwe na tomato sauce pia. You can use just tomatoes peke yake. You don't need to have the tomato sauce.
Or you can just mash the tomatoes.
Yes, as we have done. Mashed tomatoes. It's not blended.
I know this one. This one.
Blended, then now we let the tomato sauce cook. Give it time to cook. It does not take a lot of time to cook. You can see the crust has thickened. If you can see, it has thickened. So now we can put our chipo here. Tunaweza tumia pilipili. Yes, for me, pilipili because niko na watoto. So I just use tomato sauce. So you can also use chilies.
Very slow, but how do you mix it?
And don't forget. Our chips. We start gently. Ginger.
Can you finish my story?
Okay, now continue with your story.
I reached the part that I said the gods were 12.
The kids.
The kids, yes, the kids of the goat were 12. So one day the mother said, "Do not open for anyone, as only when you hear my voice and my footsteps or my shoes, any legs, because goats don't wear shoes." So when the mother left to go to the market, there was a wolf living near their home. So the wolf heard what the mother said. After hearing what the mother said, he made a terrifying voice, and the children looked down and peeped and saw the legs of the legs of our wolf. So he went.
At this point, chips is colorful. It's so colorful.
So they saw the children that they saw the legs. So he went to a nearby what's that place that you bake things, then a restaurant where he took a whole circle of flour and poured on the legs. So the legs looked like it was for the mother. So the goats, the second time the wolf wanted us to get in, the goats looked down and saw that it was they thought that it was their mother. So the wolf opened the door.
The story is not going to be good. Now we are done.
I want to continue.
We'll finish the story next time. Don't forget. Yes. In the next video, we'll continue that story. We'll start that story.
I'm studying.
Okay?
You're not complete story.
That's why you're going to put that on your ground. Exactly.
So why not Kalisako? Yeah. Now I continue. When you're done.
Is ready. Now let's sprinkle our coriander and serve. Give me one plate.
Huh?
One plate, the big one.
Just one.
See the way our chips masala looks nice? It's very nice. You can taste it.
That's yum.
Yeah. It's very yum. You want to taste?
Yes.
It's hot.
The yum.
Yum. Now we are done with our food. Thanks for watching. So bye for now. Wait for we meet in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.